Grateful, that's my starting point in life. Just like when I open a hood and see the engine is still intact. Bisan na gamayng leak, at least dili pa totally blown. I'm grateful for the simple opportunities. Some people wait for big breaks, pero para nako, every chance to hold a wrench, to learn, to fix, is already a blessing. Life is like a toolbox. Kung kabalo ka unsay gamiton, you can solve almost anything. Opportunities don't always look shiny. Usahay, murag kalawang nga nut nga lisod ilusen. Pero once you put in the effort, spray gamayng WD-40 o push harder, boom, it opens the way. And pursuing my goals, well, that's like rebuilding an engine. It takes time, patience, and a little bit of trial and error. You can't expect instant horsepower without going through the grease, the dirt, and yes, the busted knuckles. Pero I don't mind, because every step, every repair, every adjustment brings me closer to where I want to be. I'd rather keep turning my own wrench kaysa magulat lang og milagro. Life is one big road trip, and I'm just thankful I have the fuel of opportunity, the engine of hard work, and the GPS of my goals to guide me. So here I am, grateful, greasy, and still grinding, but always moving forward, because success, just like a well-maintained car, is built through consistency, care, and a little humor along the way.